Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about whether you can transfer GCredit to your GCash wallet. Let's dive in. So here's the deal. You cannot directly transfer GCredit into your GCash wallet. GCredit works like a credit line, meaning it's only for paying bills, purchases, or services inside GCash. It's not actual wallet cash that you can move around. But there are indirect workarounds you can see on the internet. Their goal is to turn a G credit payment into money that eventually lands in their Gcash wallet. What they do is they use G credit to pay a bill through Gcash. And once the bill is paid, they can ask the person or a company they paid for, maybe a friend, family member, or someone they're settling a bill for to reimburse them. And when they transfer the reimbursement back to them, it shows up in their Gcash wallet, which is the closest workaround available right now. But again, I wouldn't really recommend it. It's pretty tricky. So yes, you can use GCredit to get value into your wallet indirectly, but there is no really direct transfer option as of this moment. All right, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.